Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this really simple pop of color for this eye look. I was just really wanting to play with color again, and I just didn't feel like wanting to do a big ol', eye look full of just different colors. I wanted to have that pop but still keep it on the simple neutral side, I guess you can say. But I've been really wanting to try a blue teal looking lid, so I did it. So anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so for starters, I know my hair is just in a bun, but to be honest, I did not want to do anything to it, so this is what we got. Anyways, I'm just going to be doing this half cut crease but still blended in together look. I just think it's fun. I'm going into two different palettes, so we're just going to jump right in. I'm going to be using the Anastasia's Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm just going to be going in with the orange soda and burnt orange. So I'm just going to be getting my M504 brush and dipping into the orange soda. I'm going to get my mirror so I can see up close. And we're just throwing this all over the crease. So being that that's all thrown in there now, I'm just going in with my Morphe R37 brush, and I'm going into burnt orange and throwing that right under it. Okay, so with that blended out, I ended up doing too with the other eye was I wanted that burnt orange to be just a tad bit more yellowier on the orange side, if that makes sense. So going into the palette that we are going to be using for the lid, which is that one, I don't have the card on me, but the name will be listed down below. But I'm going in with that color right there just to throw back over where we put the orange soda, just to get that orange yellowy look. Okay, so since that's done, I'm gonna go get my MAC Select cover up, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm just getting my e.l.f. concealer brush, and I am going to cut halfway. Okay, and now I'm just going to get that blue shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're gonna just pack it on. Okay, so with that being done, I want to go in with my Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go into the Anastasia palette again, and I'm using Rustic, and I'm going to be placing that on the outer corner. And now I'm just going to get my Trestique eye crayon or eye pencil and put this on the waterline and tight lining. Okay, and so now I am going to be getting my Sigma Flat Defining E15 brush, and I'm going into Rustic and placing this just on the outer part of my lash line and meeting in the middle. And then I'm getting that Luxie brush again into Rustic as well, and I just want to diffuse it a bit but blend it out also, just for that outer part. And then going into orange soda, burnt orange, and Rustic again with a little bit of that yellowy from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm just going to sleeve this all under. And now with that brush we did with the blue, we're just going to place this on the inner part of the bottom lash line. Okay, and then to highlight, I'm going in with the two lighter colors, and I'm going to put that on the brow bone and inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my liner and lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so now I'm just going to set my face. Okay guys, so that is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I think it's fun if you want to definitely start playing with some color, but you don't want to do anything too crazy. I think it's cool to keep it with the neutrals and like the browns, and then just tie in a little bit of that pop of color on the lid, and you know, it comes out, I think it's nice. You know, I think it's a really pretty look. So, you know, definitely start with, you know, doing little pops on the lid, just a small amount, and then just stick to the browns and stuff like that to go around it so it's not too overly crazy. But anyways, with all of that, if there's any other looks you guys want me to do or any products to try, please put those down in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and then please don't forget to subscribe. And yes, so I love you guys, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye.